Here's something you probably weren't expecting to see from Hyundai. The 2026 Inster is their smallest electric vehicle yet, and it's rewriting the rules for affordable city EVs. Let's talk size first. At just 3.8 meters long and 1.6 meters wide, the Inster is tiny. Think VW up dimensions. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite being microscopic on the outside, this thing feels huge inside. Hyundai squeezed every millimeter out of the flat EV floor and high roof design to create a proper TARDIS effect. You can actually fit adults in the back with legroom to spare. The party trick? Those rear seats slide forward 16 centimeters. That expands boot space from 238 liters to 351 liters. They also fold completely flat in the base model, and on the top spec cross trim, even the front seats fold down. Try doing that in a Renault 5. Now, power. You get two battery choices. The standard range packs a 42 kilowatt-hour battery with 95 horsepower, delivering 203 miles of range. The long range bumps that to 49 kilowatt-hours and 113 horsepower for 229 miles. 0 to 60 happens in 10.6 seconds with the bigger battery. Not fast, but perfectly adequate for urban driving where this car makes absolute sense. Charging is competitive too. Plug into a 120 kilowatt DC fast charger and you'll hit 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's grab a coffee time, not go have lunch time. Both batteries support 11 kilowatt AC charging at home, and every single Inster comes with a heat pump to protect your range in winter. Here's something clever. Vehicle-to-load technology. You get sockets inside and outside the car providing 3.6 kilowatts of power. Run your camping gear, charge your e-bike, power a tailgate setup. The Inster becomes a mobile power station. Tech-wise, you're getting dual 10.25-inch screens, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The top-spec 02 trim adds heated seats, 64-color ambient lighting, wireless charging, and those brilliant sliding seats. The Cross version takes it further with rugged styling, roof rails, and exclusive Amazonas green matte paint. Safety hasn't been skimped either. 7 airbags, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and a driver monitoring system all come standard. The Cross adds blind spot monitoring with cameras that display in your instrument cluster when you indicate. Pricing starts at just £23,500 in the UK, around $39,000 in Australia. That undercuts most rivals while delivering more practicality. Add in Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage warranty and 8-year battery coverage, and you've got one seriously compelling package. The 2026 Hyundai Inster proves you don't need to spend big to go electric. Small car, big ideas, genuine value. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.